door and run. Get my camera. Open the door and run. John, just do it. John. That's what I'm doing.
Grab the box and squash it quick like you always do for a fly.
That's a... Open the door.
No, I'm gonna go crazy. Help me. I'm gonna go panic attack. And I'll faint. Just hurry up and help me.
John, that's it. Just open the door.
I know, I can't. I have a phobia.
You open the door and run.
No, he's looking at me.
No, I cannot.
Just grab some and shut up.
Just...
I'm